Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. We are from Group 4, Instrumentation 5B. Today, we will present our project on the ADS1115 and DC voltage measurement using Arduino. Our team consists of Anggito Roisuka, Asjanul Muhammadi, Sony Fajar, Andi Saputra, and Valian Yufi Sahriza. Let's get to start. This is the ADS circuit component. ADS is a 16-bit analog to digital converter or ADC. It enhances the precision of analog signal reading compared to the Arduino internal 10-bit. In this project, we used it to measure variable voltage generated by potentiometer. This is the diagram of the ADS1115 circuit component. This is the 4 input of the ADS1115, and then this is a MUX or multiplexer, which is the analog inputs will be converted by the ADC. This input selection is controlled by the ADS1115 configuration register. Next is PGA or programmable gain amplifier. The PGA amplifies the analog input signal before it is converted by the ADC. Next is 16-bit ADC. This is the core of the ADS1115. This is ADC convert a selected and amplified analog signal into a 16-bit digital representation. Next is voltage reference. The voltage reference provides a stable and accurate voltage used by the ADC for conversion. The next is oscillator. Oscillator generates an internal clock signal that is used by the ADC and other components for synchronization. Next is I2C interface. I2C interface is used to communicate with the ADS1115. And the next is ADRR. This is the address pin to specify ADS1115 device address on the I2C bus. Next is SCL or serial clock. This is the clock pin used to synchronize communication between the microcontroller and ADS1115. Next is SDA or serial data. The I2C data pin are used for data transfer between the microcontroller and ADS1115. Next is comparator. Comparator is to input voltage with programmable threshold. And the next is alert or FDY. This is the pin is used to signal the conversion is complete or when the input voltage crosses the threshold defined by the comparator. The next is VDD and the ground pin.
Based on the diagram that shown before, we need some component list. There are ADS1115 module and Arduino Uno, potentiometer, project board, jumper cable, and Arduino IDE as a software for programming the Arduino. ADS1115. The ADS1115 is a 16-bit analog to digital converter or ADC that allows the Arduino to read analog signals with more precision than the Arduino's internal ADC, which is the Arduino's internal ADC just only 10-bit. And the potentiometer will provide a variable voltage that can be measured by the ADS1115 and read by the Arduino. Next is Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a popular microcontroller board that uses Atmega328P as a processor. Arduino Uno has 14 digital input and output pins, and 6 analog input. This microcontroller perfect for beginners and prototyping.
Okay, let me continue the presentation. Okay, next is potentiometer. Potentiometer, the simple explanation about potentiometer is potentiometer is a variable resistor and voltage divider, enabling manual voltage adjustment. It's commonly used in electronic project for user input. Next was project board. Project board is a simple component for easy prototyping jumper cable to connect components from Arduino and the sensors. Okay, next is jumper cable. Jumper cable is connecting wires from the sensors and Arduino. It's a small cable that is easy to maintain. Okay, next was Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is a simple software for coding and communication with Arduino board. Then we can adjust the sensors and the Arduino to get input, processing, and output as we want. Next.
Let me continue the presentation. The next slide is about the connection. The first one is the connection from the ADS1115 to Arduino Uno. Connect the ADS1115 module to the Arduino Uno via the I2C interface, VCC ADS1115 to 5V Arduino, ADS1115 ground to Arduino ground, SCL ADS1115 to A5 SCL pin of Arduino, SDA ADS1115 to A4 SDA Arduino. The second is the potentiometer to ADS1115 connection. Connect the 3 pins of the potentiometer, one end of the potentiometer to VCC 5V, the other one to the ground, and the center pin wiper to one of the ADS1115 input channels. Next is the programming code in Arduino IDE. The programming code is done using the Arduino IDE. We write the code to read the potentiometer values via the IDS1115 and to display the readings on the serial monitor and serial plotter. Next, the results on the serial monitor. The serial monitor shows the real-time numerical output of the potentiometer reading. We can view the example output on the slide. The output is 4.92 volt. Next is the result on serial plotter. The serial plotter visualizes the readings from the serial monitor graphically, making it easier to observe change over time. Next is the conclusion. The conclusion from our project is this project demonstrates how the ADS1115 improves the precision of analog signal readings, making it valuable tool in electronic project involving variable voltage measurements. And that's the end from our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.